So as part of the Range Rover Evoque's normal service, today we're going to be replacing or changing the fuel filter. So there are a number of things you need to do before we start to change the fuel filter, which is we need to remove the airbox and this pipe here, which is the air intake to the engine. And in behind here is also a pipe which is a breather for the engine, which just pops off. You need to take these two Jubilee clips off. There's only two of them, and I'm going to remove the airbox anyway because I'm going to be changing the air filter. We need to get that cover off there. It's held on by 3 bolts. There's one here which are 8mm, one in each corner, one here, and there's one right at the back which is a 10mm, and very easy, and it just pops off. So once we've got all that off, we can basically access the filter which sits underneath here, and we can then remove the filter fairly easily. Right, so this is a fuel filter. What we need to do is take this plate off here, take the engine cover off, the airbox, as part of the service, and this here, which is a breather. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wee bolts on that. Take these 2 pipes off, and we need to take these Allen screws off to lift it out. It's slack. It's slack. This is an upward one that holds that. It doesn't seem to be one on that, is it? No. Somebody's dropped that other one.
That's exactly what's
So,
happened.
this plate should come out here, enough to hold a German tank with the heaviness of that. So that's that. So now we need to take these 3 Allen bolts out. So this is a filter. These are the 4 inputs to it, and on the bottom you'll have this pipe in there and the electrical connection at the bottom and a breather at the bottom. That's what we've got there. So put that there. I'll get a wee screwdriver. You push that one down. That should pull off. A bit tight. This one lifts up. I'll do that in it. Two. This one pushes down. Number 3.
Now, to get to the bottom of this is going to be probably quite awkward.
That'll be full of fuel, remember?
You know. So I can see an electrical connection. That's pouring fuel at that. That's that off. You recorded? So there's an air breather in there and an electrical connection in there, and that doesn't seem to be connected to anything. That does. That clipped in. There's the air breather. A little bit footery. And cover it in fuel, of course. So if you see that, that breather goes in there. And the electrical connection goes on there. That's the only two that's on that. Now, try and manoeuvre that back in again. So it's sitting in position. I'm going to leave that off for now. So I'll take this connector out. Get this one. You hear it clicking in there. Get this one here, take the orange one out. In fact, we'll do the green one first, since it's at the back. That's that one clicked in. Take the orange protective cap off. Put this one in. And that's the one. And that one will go in there. And that will get filled back up and then put the connector on it. What we're going to do is we're going to take that off and we're going to bleed it. I'm going to bolt that back on.
There you go, that's it coming now.
Ready with that, right? All the air coming out it, see it?
Clever.